guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this sunshine cutout. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat my cutout. So I'll be using the color Florida Orange, and all the paint that I use in this video and really most of my videos is Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you guys can purchase that online. I'm going in now with Barn Red. It's my favorite red by Dixie Belle. I use it probably every single day, and I'm just going in on the outer edges of my sun rays and just painting those. And then next I'm going to go in with Colonel Mustard, and I'm going to begin to lay that onto the center of my sun rays and just blend that red into it. And then I'm just doing the Colonel Mustard on the outer center. And then in the very center, I'm using Daisy, which is a soft yellow. And just blending all those colors together. Next, I'm going to go in and just dry everything a little bit so that I can go in with my Sharpie marker. Actually, I'm not going to use the Sharpie marker. I'm going to use paint. But either way, I want my edges to be dry. And I'm going to go in with a number 4 round, and I'm just using like an apple barrel acrylic. And you can see how my lines aren't perfect. This is just the look that I go for because really it would be very difficult to make these perfect. So I'm okay with them being a little off. If I wanted them to be perfect, I would go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker instead. But I actually like this look sometimes. And then I'm just going to outline the center of the sun as well. And then next I'm going to go in, just dry all of that a little bit again. I want to go in and do some lettering, so I want to make sure that my cutout's completely dry. And I'm highlighting my sun with a little bit of cotton and using a number 4 round. And then next I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and do some lettering. And this is something that I just like to do here and there because practice makes better, I always say. So I like to throw hand lettering in here and there just so that I can practice and get better. And I just go in after I write my lettering, and then I'll thicken it up a little bit. So just going in and doing kind of like my base. And then I'm going to go back over that and just make it thicker. And then once I'm done with that, my project's complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.